Life Path 5. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on Life Path 5 and precisely what it means to you. Then, at the end of this video, I'll show you how to customize it with your birth and name numbers to get a detailed readout of what lies ahead in your future and destiny. Stay tuned for that. Let's begin. Diving into the world of numerology, Life Path 5 stands out with its vibrant and dynamic energy. Those guided by this number embody the spirit of freedom and adventure, making them a force to be reckoned with in the tapestry of life's many paths. Their journey is punctuated by continuous change, making them the torchbearers of transformation in the numerological spectrum. Life Path 5 individuals are indeed free spirits and explorers of numerology. Imagine an unbound and free bird soaring high above the landscapes, curiously discovering new horizons. This imagery captures the essence of those with Life Path 5. Their innate desire for freedom is unmatched, pushing them to venture into the unknown, seeking adventures that thrill and educate them. The world is a vast playground for these individuals, teeming with experiences waiting to be embraced. Stagnancy is their nemesis. Movement, both literal and metaphorical, is their lifeblood. Yet, with all their wanderlust comes an incredible ability to adapt. Like water, they mold themselves to fit the container of their current environment or situation. This adaptability is both a gift and a testament to their resilient spirit. Whether they find themselves in a foreign city's bustling streets or navigating a challenging task's complexities, they maneuver with admirable ease. This versatility extends to their roles in life too. One might find a Life Path 5 individual playing the role of a caregiver in one moment and seamlessly transitioning into an entrepreneur the next. Their life is a rich tapestry of experiences woven together with threads of adaptability and resourcefulness. The heart of a Life Path 5 beats to its rhythm, often diverging from conventional norms and expectations. This trait doesn't arise from a place of rebellion, but a genuine thirst for authentic experiences. They aren't ones to be pigeonholed or boxed into societal standards. Instead, they question, analyze, and often redefine those standards based on their experiences and beliefs. Their outlook on life tends to be progressive, with a forward-facing perspective that sees possibilities even in the most challenging situations. Relationships with a Life Path 5 can be a roller coaster ride of emotions and experiences. Their spontaneous nature often means their partners should be ready for surprises, from impromptu travel plans to sudden changes in life goals. While this unpredictability might be unsettling for some, it can infuse a relationship with excitement and novelty. However, their partners must understand their deep-seated need for personal freedom and space. A life path. 5 individual will thrive in a relationship that offers them the liberty to explore and grow as an individual and a partner. Financially, those with Life Path 5 value experience over material possessions. While they might indulge in the occasional luxury, they're more inclined to invest in experiences that broaden their horizons. This could be in travel, courses that enhance their skills, or ventures that align with their passions. Their spending habits might seem erratic to an outsider, but there's often a method to their perceived madness. It's all about acquiring experiences and knowledge that enrich their souls and add layers to their multifaceted personalities. They commonly have multiple income streams stemming from varied interests and skills acquired over the years. At their core, Life Path 5 individuals are spiritual adventurers. They often embark on quests to understand the deeper truths of life and existence. These journeys might only sometimes be physical. They can also be explorations into philosophical, metaphysical, or spiritual realms. It's not uncommon for them to dabble in various spiritual practices, drawing insights from diverse sources to create a unique tapestry of beliefs that resonates with their soul. Meditation, yoga, or even shamanic journeys can give them the grounding they occasionally need amid their whirlwind of experiences. Their spiritual openness also makes them respectful and tolerant of diverse beliefs and practices, even if they don't personally adhere to them. Challenges are not foreign to a Life Path 5. Their insatiable curiosity and quest for novelty sometimes lead them down paths that test their mettle. Whether it's making impulsive decisions, spreading themselves too thin with numerous commitments, or grappling with a sense of rootlessness, they face their share of storms. However, their intrinsic adaptability and resilience often help them bounce back with renewed vigor and insights from their experiences. The next step is now to customize this reading with your birthday and name numbers. Doing so will change the meaning of this number and give you a stunning map of your destiny's path and future. Go now to freenums.com for your free customized reading. You'll also receive a free copy of Sia DeMarco's Decode Your Destiny for clarity on the best decisions to make on your life path. Go to freenums.com or click the link in the video description now.